Hey folks, how's all my YouTube buds doing? I wanted to make this video. Kind of COVID, you know, I'm kind of hanging out in shop, and I thought I'd find something productive to do, I guess. But what this is, it's an old sewing machine. It was my mother-in-law's sewing machine. She's since passed, but I wanted to share this with you. I cleaned it up. I don't know, you know, how much of an interest it is to people, but it is kind of probably an antique, you know, and it's kind of neat. I can remember this when I was a kid that they had these around. But without any further ado, let me share this with you. It's a Singer Model 221 sewing machine. And it looks like, let me zoom in a little bit here. It looks like it's almost like a baked on ceramic, black ceramic finish, really shiny. Nice job that they did on it when they built it. It's a Model 221. Let's see down here. There it is, 221. It's not the rarer model. I looked it up, and I guess there's a rarer model, but so what, you know? I mean, it's just something nice, something they used back in the day. I'm guessing probably early 50s, late 40s. Maybe somebody can check on this and let me know how far on or off I am, but it was a portable model, had a little folding back to it, and show you the box it was in. Just, just carried around this box, and I cleaned it up. It had some mildew in it. It's kind of a cloth type interior. See, it's like a, I don't know, what do you call it? You know, kind of some kind of textured finish. And the box is actually made in Canada. It says underneath, made in Canada. But I cleaned it up, and it has a little pedal that goes on the floor that whoever was running it would step on it. And I'll show you here. As I step on the button, it seems to run just fine. So you got a little tension there for when it goes over the cloth. Still has the needle in it, and I like the quality of the materials. You know, it's shiny, nice. It's very well made, and they came with instruction, little instruction manual here, kind of described what. You know, what it was, how to use it, and all that. And had a box of attachments. Made in USA, love it. Some of them look fairly complex. Probably beyond my comprehension. You'd have to really read up on this. Look at that thing. I mean, you talk about complicated. Yeah, something else. And then it has a little box of spools, and it's like a little tool, screwdriver for adjusting. And one thing that kind of touched me about this, because you know, when it's old stuff like this, I'm always looking for something kind of neat that would, you know, be something interesting about the time or day. But I remember these needles, and my mother had them in her machine. But the cool thing I want to share with you here is this is a needle threader that you know, helps you thread needles. Any kind of needles, this can be used in sewing machines. But on the other side of it, look at this. The Associated Blind ink. needle threader, a boon to the seeing and a blessing to the blind, avoids eye strain for those who can see, and means freedom for those who are blind. In appreciation of its equal service as handy aid and sight saver, we offer it to you. Isn't that cool? Now, I don't know whether they, they ship this in every one of the sewing machines, and Singer helped the, the Associated Blind organization. But I thought that was kind of cool. But anyways, that's it. If you want to make any comments or anything, you have any little stories you want to share, feel free to do it below. And hope everybody's doing okay and staying safe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.